Nighttime wind-down routine for better sleep, lower stress, and a flatter feeling morning. It's 10 p.m. You've taken care of everyone but yourself all day. You're scrolling your phone, eyes heavy, telling yourself 5 more minutes. Right now, in this exact moment, your body is quietly deciding something, whether you wake up tomorrow feeling light and clear-headed, or puffy, foggy, and already exhausted before the day begins. That decision isn't made in the gym. It's made in the next 20 minutes in your bed tonight. Stay with me. I'm going to show you exactly what to do. If this is your first time here, this channel exists for one reason: to help you build a life that starts with God, not with panic. So before we go further, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications because tomorrow morning you're going to want this again. Let's begin. Part number 1. The truth about what happens while you sleep. Here's what nobody tells you. Sleep isn't downtime. It's when your body does its most important repair work, regulating the stress hormone cortisol, resetting the hunger hormones that control cravings, and giving your nervous system a chance to actually recover. But most of us walk into bed already working against ourselves. We're wired from scrolling, wired from a heavy dinner eaten 5 minutes before lights out, wired from a day of holding tension in our shoulders we don't even notice anymore. So tonight, I want to give you a simple 3-part wind-down routine, what I call the Lavender Reset. It won't melt fat off your belly overnight. Nothing does that, and I'm not going to lie to you and say it will, but it will help you sleep deeper, wake up calmer, feel less bloated, and build the kind of nightly habit that, over weeks, not one night, supports real, sustainable health. Let's start with the biggest mistake almost every woman makes an hour before bed. Part number 2. Fix your evening timing. You grab a little snack at 9 p.m. Maybe fruit, maybe crackers. Feels harmless, right? Here's the honest science. Eating a heavier, sugary snack right before bed can spike your blood sugar and keep your body more alert right when it should be winding down, which can mean lighter, more restless sleep. It's not about ruining your day. One snack doesn't undo good choices. It's just about timing. So here's the habit. Try to finish eating 2 to 3 hours before bed. If you do need something small, reach for protein or healthy fat. A few almonds, a spoon of Greek yogurt, instead of straight sugar. Protein and fat keep your blood sugar steadier, so you're less likely to wake up at 2 a.m. starving. And please, don't starve yourself into earning a good night's sleep. Deprivation spikes stress, and stress is the enemy of good sleep. This is about balance, not punishment. Part number 3. Set the stage. Temperature, light, hydration. Next, your room. Cooler rooms. Research points to around 65 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 degrees Celsius, are consistently linked to deeper, more restful sleep, partly because your core body temperature naturally drops as you fall asleep, and a cool room supports that instead of fighting it. So, before you pile on 5 blankets, crack a window or turn down the thermostat. Swap your last hour of phone scrolling for something calming, a warm cup of herbal tea, a few pages of a book, dim lighting. Blue light from screens can delay your body's natural melatonin release, which is part of why just 5 more minutes of scrolling turns into 40. Small changes, but your body notices every one of them. Part number 4. The 6-minute wind-down movement sequence. Now here's the part you came for, a gentle movement sequence to release tension before bed. I want to be upfront. This isn't a fat-burning workout, and no nighttime routine targets belly fat specifically. Your body doesn't work that way, and anyone who tells you it does is selling you something. What this does do is release physical tension, calm your nervous system, and gently support digestion so you're not lying there feeling heavy and restless. That alone is worth 10 minutes of your night. Move. Number 1. Slow alternating. Leg drops. 40 seconds on, 20 seconds rest. Prop yourself on your elbows, chest lifted, shoulders relaxed. Bring your knees up, slowly lower one heel until it taps the mattress, then switch. Exhale as the heel drops. If your lower back arches or pinches, don't drop the heel as far. Control matters more than range of motion. Move number 2. Reverse crunch, kick out, and tuck, 8 to 10 slow reps. Lie flat on your back, legs hovering above the floor. Tuck your knees gently into your chest, then extend back out. If your lower back lifts off the mat, aim your feet a little higher to protect your spine. Move. Number 3. Slow shoulder blade crunches, 10 reps. Feet flat, knees bent, hands cradling, not pulling. the back of your head. Lift just your shoulder blades, pause, lower slowly. Let your abs do the work, not your neck. Move number 4, donkey kicks, 30 seconds per side. Tabletop position, wrists under shoulders, knees under hips. Press one heel toward the ceiling with control, squeeze at the top, lower slowly. Keep your core braced so your lower back doesn't overarch. Move number 5, toe touch crunch, 8 to 10 reps. Flat on your back, legs pointing up. Reach your fingertips toward your toes, exhaling as you lift, peeling your spine off the mat slowly instead of swinging up. By the end of this, your body feels looser, your breathing has slowed, and your mind has quieted down. That's the actual goal. Not a fantasy fat-burning furnace, but a nervous system that's finally ready to rest. Part number 5, the 2-minute face ritual. One last thing before you close your eyes. When you lie flat for 8 hours, fluid that normally drains during the day can pool in your face, which is part of why mornings sometimes bring puffiness. A gentle facial massage won't change your bone structure or melt fat, but it can temporarily ease that pooled fluid and feels genuinely relaxing. Step number 1, the gentle drain. With a little facial oil or moisturizer, use 2 fingers to glide gently from your chin out toward your ears, then down your neck to your collarbones. 5 slow passes. Feather-light pressure. You're not massaging out wrinkles, just encouraging fluid to move. Step number 2, lock in moisture. Your skin loses water overnight, so finish with a nourishing night cream. Simple, but it matters. Here's what I want you to walk away with. There is no single trick, no magic 10-minute routine that burns belly fat overnight. Anyone promising you that is not telling you the truth. But what is true, powerfully true, is that how you spend the hour before bed shapes how you sleep, how you feel, and how well your body can do its real work of repairing itself. One good night won't transform you, but one good night repeated, night after night, week after week, quietly becomes the foundation everything else is built on. So tonight, try it. Finish eating a little earlier. Cool the room down. Move slowly instead of scrolling. Give your face 2 minutes of care. And go to sleep, knowing you did something kind for your body today. If this helped you, hit like so more women can find it. Subscribe so we can keep building healthy habits together every week, and tell me in the comments, which part of tonight's routine are you trying first? Sleep well. You've earned it.